Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make tandoori chicken. So the ingredients we need are 1 kg of chicken. Make cut like this and add 3 tablespoons of curd. Add 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, 3/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, half of lemon. Salt to taste. One tablespoon of oil. Mix it well. Marinate it for 3 to 4 hours in refrigerator. After 4 hours, take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Cook the chicken for 2 minutes in medium flame. Flip over the chicken and cook for 2 minutes again in medium flame. Cover and cook for 15 minutes in low flame. Flip over and cook for 15 minutes again in low flame. It has been cooked well. Now let's burn the coal. Take a lemon and put a charcoal piece on it. Add few drops of oil and cover it for a minute. Now our delicious tandoori chicken is ready. Everybody should try this. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.